Hi, I'm Kyle with Outlaw Harley-Davidson, and this is a 2021 Fat Bob. Definitely one of the most unique motorcycles in the Harley-Davidson lineup is the 2021 Fat Bob. It all starts with my favorite little addition they did to it in that Cyclops style strip headlight, super bright. Everybody's gonna see you coming down the road at them. The drag style bars with the 3-inch riser. And just to note, you can adjust this bar degree-wise front and back. A nice little feature they add to it to customize your sitting position on the motorcycle. Another thing that obviously is going to stand out and say it's a Fat Bob are these tires. Very meaty. They got great tread on them, front and rear. And then on the cast wheels, you're going to get the Harley-Davidson that's laser engraved into the wheel. That's really, really cool, man. Another thing that's going to be a little bit different about this motorcycle is going to be the 2 into 1 into 2, the upswept exhaust. Gives it a really kind of stand out and a unique style again. The Fat Bob for 2021's also going to come with your inverted front forks, right? And then the hand adjustable rear monoshock on your soft tail frame really kind of allows you to customize the ride depending on your load and your riding style or riding situation. Couple that with your 114 Milwaukee 8 cubic inch motor, all the power you're ever going to need on a 690-pound motorcycle. Also going to hook that up to a 6-speed transmission. So on the highway, you're going to be cruising nice and comfortable, not going to really have to worry about, you know, hey, I'm too high in the RPMs. Another additional thing about this motorcycle is that it's going to be oil cooled. Okay, so other than just the air flowing over the motor, you're going to have that oil cooling system to help keep you down in temperature as well. And then kind of last but not least, the 3.5 gallon tank. It's a real nice small size tank that allows you to have a good amount of fuel so you can travel a good distance, but it's also going to keep the sleekness and the lines that are definitely going to keep this motorcycle sexy. All right, and now we're going to get this thing on the road, see what she's made of. All right, here we go, guys. Man, the torque in this, in the first, second, and third gear is just incredible on this thing. Super comfortable. You got your forward controls, but they're not too far forward. They're kind of like right underneath you. Really allows you to kind of feel the motorcycle underneath you and push it into the corners. Smooth, man, this thing is so smooth. Handles so good. You just kind of so responsive to handling this thing. You just kind of look where you want to go and it just kind of takes you there. Man, the acceleration, no matter where you're at, right now I'm about 2,500 RPM in 5th gear going 53. You just twist it, you're at 3,500 like that, man. It's incredible. These corners really eat up these corners, man, with ease. Such an incredible motorcycle. Fun, man. This thing is fun. Your drag bar Really nice setup on this. You can adjust the angle, like I mentioned earlier, of your bars, just to kind of give you a little bit of customization to fit. Now here's a couple pretty quick corners. Some of my favorite out here on this ride. You can lean way down into the corner, man. And all the acceleration to get out of them, any you would ever need. Oh man, if you can test ride this thing and not smile ear to ear, well, I just don't know that you have a pulse, my friend.
Man, what a blast, guys. Great motorcycle. Probably comfort-wise, very, very comfortable. The bars fit nice. The controls are kind of right there where you really would want them. You really can kind of push this thing down into the corners and get real aggressive with the riding. Performance is definitely there. I mean, you guys saw it. Twisting that throttle, it's super addicting on this motorcycle. All the torque you would ever need. You know, those are definitely some things I like. If I had to kind of be picky about one thing that maybe I don't like, it would be the tank size. But I also kind of see why they went with this tank size, to keep the sleekness and the design, you know, of the style of this motorcycle. But I mean, overall, a great bike. Now, like I said earlier, if you're touring and that's what your goal is to go long distances, obviously not the right bike for you. But if you want to eat those corners, man, if you want to get out and you want a bike that is literally the most fun motorcycle I maybe have ever ridden, this would definitely be the one. That's it for today, guys. We got a lot more bike reviews coming your way. I'd really appreciate it if you like this one. Subscribe, hit that bell, get those notifications, so when we do release new content, you guys are the first one to know about it. I really appreciate you guys hanging out. We'll see you next time.